The refreshed 2025 Tesla Model Y has arrived, and today, we're showcasing its stunning Quicksilver and Pearl White color options. These real-life images highlight Tesla's incredible attention to detail and design innovation. Let's dive in. First up is Quicksilver, a premium color option that exudes elegance and futuristic style. Its metallic finish shifts subtly in different lighting conditions, giving the Model Y a sophisticated, high-tech vibe, perfect for those who want their vehicle to stand out with understated luxury. Next, we have Pearl White Multicoat, a timeless choice that emphasizes the sleek and minimalist design of the Model Y. This color pairs beautifully with the refreshed light bars and redesigned body for a clean, modern aesthetic that's sure to turn heads. Speaking of design, Tesla has revamped the front and rear with sleek light bars that not only enhance the Model Y's futuristic look, but also improve aerodynamics for better range and efficiency. Plus, the addition of a front bumper camera, a first for Tesla outside the Cybertruck, adds even more functionality to auto park and other potential features. The Quicksilver and Pearl White options pair beautifully with the luxurious interior of the Launch Series edition. You'll find black vegan suede accents, exclusive badging on the rear liftgate and puddle lights, and even a unique launch wordmark on the charging console trim. And for the long-range AWD, Tesla includes the acceleration boost as a standard feature, no extra purchase required. Underneath the refreshed exterior is Tesla's advanced single-piece body casting. By reducing parts from 70 to just 1, the Model Y is quieter, stiffer, and more aerodynamic than ever. These improvements take both performance and comfort to the next level.